I have a 2001 Ford F350, and one thing that started to happen to me is the fan control does not seem to work on anything except for high. There's high, and all the other settings seem to be pretty much non-functional. Now, some people might start to look into the switch itself thinking it's a bad switch. However, it's not a bad switch. There's actually a module under the hood that is prone to failure on this generation of trucks, and we'll show you that. That module is actually bolted on the passenger side of the truck, and it's bolted right down inside here by 2 bolts. We'll take those 2 bolts out, and this whole module should pull straight back. Now, the previous owner on mine's done a little bit of hack job on here, and they replaced the factory plug with some regular little spade connectors. I suppose that's okay, but you should have a plug that you can remove from this module, a big square plug that fits inside here, and then there's a couple 8mm bolts that you pull off, and this whole thing will come right out. Now, here's what the back side of that module looks like. You can see it's a series of resistors that kind of tuck back there into the air box, and these go bad all the time. I don't know why this one's all hacked up. Obviously, the previous owner had some fun here, but we'll put the new one in. We'll see how it goes. Now, I have the new ones bolted in, and you can see it's basically, again, just the 2 8mm bolts that hold it in, and you should have a plug, unlike me, that fits neatly inside this rectangular box, and this is the catch for that plug that holds it in. Now, I can already hear the squeaky fan, so I know this works, and you can probably hear it in the background, but speed 1's a little faster, speed 2, and speed 3. So we definitely fixed this by replacing the module. I'll put a link down below on where you can buy that module. It's less than $10. As you can see, it only takes about 10 minutes to swap it out. And it is nice to have your fan controls back. If you like these types of videos, please like and subscribe. Take a look at some of my other videos. You might be entertained.